Here's a 1961 Buick Electra 225 convertible that has just come to us out of long-term storage. These are absolutely cool cars, especially in the convertible models. This particular one still retains an original 301 nailhead V8 that would have came with it, and automatic transmission is how this would have been equipped from Buick back in 1961. Power steering, power brakes, actually a power top, power windows. Very nicely equipped Buick back in the day. Still retains the original Bimini blue color that this would have been, with a white top and blue interior. It has had a repaint along the way once, and this is a two-owner car actually that, like I said, just came out of long-term storage. So nice driver quality car, very solid, extremely solid car. Taking a look at the underside, you can see it's got the original floor pans in it. There's some original undercoating on there. Yes, there's the surface rust that you'll see on metal on any car that's 50, 60 years old underneath. But if you look, it is not rusted away. This is a very solid car. And like I said, two-owner. Still retains much of the original look like it would have had back in 61. Take a look at the dash, AM radio, clock up top there. Like I said, power windows, power brakes. It's a leather interior, bench seat up front, which I'm not so sure that this is not the original leather up front on it. Judging by a lot of the interior, a lot of it still looks original. Slipping around the side here. Take a look down the side. You can see how straight the car is. Bright works decent. It does show some wear, obviously, the rear bumper and what have you. There's some scratches or dings or dents here and there. But like I said, kind of a survivor car. Came out of long-term storage. Now, since it's been out of storage, give you an idea on some of the things that we've done to it. Pulled the tank and replaced or cleaned anything that needed to be done as far as the fuel system goes. Does have a new Edelbrock carburetor on it. New mufflers, exhaust components. Has a new convertible top motor to it. Wheel cylinders, brake hoses, new brakes, brake shoes. So basically the things that you want to go through and get done to get a car so it can run and drive and you can have a little fun with it. That's what we've done. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. And or if you'd like to see those still pictures I talked about, uniqueclassiccars.com. And you can see the undersides, the trunk. The trunk looks all original, still has a lot of the original fabric. Take a look at that. Look underneath the hood at the engine compartment. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up and give you a little bit better look at the interior. There's your power windows. Of course, the wing window on the side is a crank. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Something I don't know if you know about these or remember it from the day. If you watch that speedometer there, you can actually change the angle of it. That's a mirror that is actually reflecting from down below. So you could change how the speedometer and odometer were projected to you. Kind of a cool feature for Buick back from the day. Here's where your convertible top switch is, courtesy lights, the power antenna. Again, there's the AM Buick radio. You can hear how nicely the engine runs. Slip around to the back, it's got a little rumble coming out of that 301 nailhead. Very smooth running car. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. And or check out the underside pics, any of the pics, at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1961 Buick Electra 225 convertible. Just came to us out of long-term storage. Now is your chance to own one.